Our today's topic for discussion is vitamin A. In this lecture, we will discuss about the chemistry, absorption, function, deficiency, and sources of vitamin A. So, coming to the chemistry. Vitamin A is a group of unsaturated nutritional organic compounds that includes retinol, and retinoic acid along with the several provitamin A carotenoids. Retinol is a vitamin A alcohol having alcohol functional group. Retinol is a vitamin A aldehyde having aldehyde functional group, and retinoic acid is a vitamin A acid having acidic functional group. They all are composed of a beta enone ring, which is a methyl substituted cyclohexenyl ring shown in yellow color in each of the structures. This yellow color ring is beta enone ring, and the side chain containing two isoprenoid unit with a 4 conjugated double bond, 1, 2, 3 and 4. All these are the 4 conjugated double bond, and due to the presence of double bond in isoprenoid side chain, vitamin A exhibit cis and trans, that is geometrical isomerism. And because of these 4 conjugated double bonds in all of the structures, vitamin A can be oxidized by air or light slowly. In nature, vitamin A occurs in two forms: the retinol esters, which is present in the foods of animal origin, and carotenes, which is present in plant foods as provitamins. Now coming to the absorption of vitamin A. In the intestine, pancreatic esterase hydrolyzes retinol esters, which is obtained from foods of animal origin present in the diet, to retinol and free fatty acids in the presence of bile acids. Retinol is absorbed by mucosal cell. The dietary beta carotenes, the carotenes which is obtained from plant foods as a provitamin, is cleaved into two molecules of retinol by a dioxygenase present in the intestinal mucosa, and then it is transported by lipoprotein. Now coming to the functions of vitamin A. The three major retinoids are retinol, retinol and retinoic acid have unique functions. Retinol is required for normal and color vision. Retinol is required for reproduction and growth. Retinol is required for differentiation and function as steroid hormone. Retinoic acid is required for the synthesis of glycoproteins or mucopolysaccharides. Retinoic acid also acts as steroid hormone. It also promotes growth and differentiation. Retinol and retinoic acid are involved in the regulation of gene expressions also. So these are the functions of vitamin A. Now coming to the retinol and the color vision. There are 3 light sensitive pigments present in cones are responsible for the color vision. They are the porphyropsins, iodopsin and synopsin. All 3 pigments contain 11 cis retinol and are sensitive to red, green and blue colors respectively. When the photon, that is the light, strikes retina in the eye, depending on the color of the light, a particular pigment is bleached, and this leads to the generation of nerve impulses and perception of color by brain. Defective apoprotein production due to faulty genes leads to color blindness. Now the deficiency of vitamin A. The deficiency of vitamin A causes night blindness. The first important deficiency of vitamin A is night blindness. In early stages, the affected individual is not able to see clearly in the dim light or night due to the block in the resynthesis of rhodopsin. In the later stage of deficiency, the affected individual cannot see or read in the dim light. Thus, loss of night vision is the major initial symptom of vitamin A deficiency. Night blindness in adults or in preschool children is common where intake of vitamin A is low. After night blindness, there are also other types of symptoms like the growth of bones and the formation of tooth are defective and the thick and long bones are formed. Nerve growth are also affected. Degeneration of myelin sheath occurs. Keratinization of mucus secreting epithelial cells, that is hyperkeratosis, lining respiratory tract and reproductive tract also occurs. Mucus secretion by salivary and lacrimal glands is also affected. Deposition of keratin in skin, that is xeroderma, gives rise to the characteristic toed skin appearance. Reproductive disorders like testicular degeneration, resorption of fetus, or fetal malformation are observed. Degenerative changes in kidneys are also observed in the deficiency of vitamin A. Now, what are the sources? Leafy vegetables like coriander leaves, curry leaves, spinach, and cabbage are the good sources of vitamin A. Yellow vegetables like carrot, pumpkin, and sweet potato are the ripe tomatoes also contain appreciable amounts of vitamin A. Fruits like yellow pigmented fruits like papaya, mango, jackfruit, banana, and oranges also contain vitamin A in the good amounts. So this is all about vitamin A. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you for your